Okay, just going to do a little soil load test. This will check for bacteria, fungi, and just general soil. And that looks pretty filthy, so I'm hoping we're going to get up in the thousands on this one, which it should be from foot traffic. Just resetting the meter. Okay. $300, still not bad for a floor. Not bad at all. So just demonstrating on what we're doing on the floor is what everyone's been doing on their hands. We use soap with agitation. You want to use soap that opens up microbe cell walls, and you need at least 20 seconds of agitation. Well, this machine goes about 1750 RPM, plus it oscillates, plus it bounces up and side down, so that when we use this pad, we're agitating and extracting. We use this pad, we're agitating and extracting, and we'll use another pad to agitate and extract. So as I'm applying a surfactant to the floor, this machine here will do the agitation, and the pad pulls the dirt out, just like we've been doing for 8 years. And that's a little stronger agitation than you can do by hand. You can't agitate with a steam cleaning wand like that unless somebody uses a brush machine, and the brush machines don't extract. So we can do an extreme agitation and extract using quite a few pads, and then we'll test the surface with our meter. Okay, we're going to test this after we used our surfactant with the chlorine dioxide, and then use quite a few pads to try to extract. So we had about 136 before we started. It's been about 15 minutes. It's not a 1 hour dwell time, so not very long dwell time. Let's see what we got. 24, not bad. And the thicker the carpet, the more we have to wet it and let it dwell, and the more pads we got to use.